So guys, hope everyone's having a good day. This is how I'm going to be funded by the end of the summer. So if you like this, you could implement this to yourself and you could maybe become funded by the summer. So this is basically my strat, how I'm going to be funded. Make some bop, some dinero. You feel me? I'm just playing. But GGS trades, free community link in the description. Let's get into this. All right, so step one, building your edge in the market. How to build your edge in the market. So first of all, you need to understand what you're good at. You need to find your advantage, basically. If you don't have an advantage, you have nothing. You're gonna straight up lose. So find your advantage. This is my step one. And I'm just gonna basically build my edge over the summer. And you need to build your edge as well, because you need to build that confidence in your setup. Confidence equals just better trades, because if you're more confident in your edge, you know when to take your edge and all that. So building your edge in the market. Another step how to build your edge in the market is journaling. Journaling is crucial for your edge because you're constantly improving through journaling. You're reflecting what you did good on, what you did bad on. And if you know what you did bad on, you could improve your edge. If you know what you did good on, you could constantly do that same thing when you're journaling. So build your edge through journaling as well. And that's pretty much my guide. How I'm going to build my edge over the summer. Just stay consistent with it. Part 2, risk management. 1% loss every day. No more than that. If it's that, I'm over leveraging basically. What I'm gonna be risking on the funded is 0.75%. Just because I like it, because it's a 4% drawdown, I believe. So I like the 0.75%. So have a key risk management plan. Risk a certain amount. And if you do lose, it'll help your psychology, because if you know you're risking 0.75%, you won't freak out if you lose 0.75%, because you're just mentally preparing if you lose that. So have a risk management plan, risk a certain amount. I suggest doing no more than 1%. Yeah. All right. And this is very straightforward to the point. I only have 3 main categories I'm focusing on. And yeah, all right, on to the next. Maintaining a 50% win rate with a 3 risk reward average. There's a reason for this. If you maintain a 3 risk reward average with a 50% win rate, you will be profitable. So the hardest thing about this is staying consistent. If you stay consistent with this over time, eventually you'll be profitable, because the numbers say it. If you have a 50% win rate with a 3 risk reward average, you can still be profitable. Look it up right now. If you prove me wrong, DM me. I'll Venmo you $5. Boom. But yeah, maintain a 50% win rate with the 3 risk reward average and you'll be profitable. So that's one of my goals for this summer, is maintaining that. Maintaining a 50% win rate. 1 out of 2 trades, 5 out of 10, whatever. I'm gonna maintain that. And yeah, that's pretty much how I'm going to be funded by the end of the summer. Oh, another thing. How to be funded by the end of the summer. Be consistent. If you aren't consistent, you're straight up going to lose, because if you're not consistent with your edge, risk management, or whatever, you're gonna be over leveraging, taking random setups each day, and you're gonna lose. You're going to get in debt. Your house is going to go away. Your wife and children are going to go away. So be consistent. Be consistent with your edge, building your edge, your risk management, maintaining a 3 risk reward average. And if you're not consistent with all that, you're going to lose and go into debt. I'm just joking. But be consistent. That's a big thing. If you aren't consistent, it's definitely something I've lacked with in the past. So be consistent with all of this. Boom. So that's basically my strats on how I'm going to be funded by the end of this summer. Hope you guys enjoyed, took value. Make sure to follow the Instagram, Trades DGS. So yeah, hope you guys have a lovely, fantastic day. And yeah, laters.